The PSA continues to assist the union's members. Here's another success story.
Hi, my name is Elming Barnard. I am a social worker of profession. I recently applied for a social work supervision post at my department, and I did not get one of the two positions. Therefore, I felt that I was the best candidate for the post. Then I came to the PSA to help me to make a case of the fact that I was not promoted in terms also of the OSD. So it is now for 2 years that PSA fought for me and assisted me with the whole process. So today I'm glad to report to all our PSA members that the employer made, we got to an agreement. So there's a settlement and I will be able to receive my money the end of April. So thank you so much for the PSA for helping me, fighting for me in this case. Thank you.